Hello my nail polish fanatics and welcome back to my channel. I have Kay's Korner polishes for you today. This is the 5 shades of gray polish collection. They are currently on sale at kayskornerpolish.com. I'll have all that sales information down below in the description box. Each polish is $10 each, but the Holo Gray polish is $14. If you like live swatches and reviews, this is the channel for you. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as your notification bell so you know when I upload new content. Each still shot photo is possibly 2 to 3 coats to opacity with a glossy top coat. So without further ado, let's get started with Kay's Korner Polish 5 Shades of Gray collection. I don't have any formal descriptions, but this is baby gray. So I'm going to have to wing it on the descriptions or what I think of the polish. Now, these are super duper creamy. And as you can see in the first application, these could be possible one coaters. But because I have to get used to using this regular style brush again, it takes me a minute to get back in the swing of things because I'm so used to using a paddle brush. But you can see it's very creamy. It's opaque in 1 to 2 coats depending on your nail line. This is Grayish, and this is the one that's more of a khaki greenish type of pastel or nude color. This one's consistency is much different than the rest as it is a more looser textured, kind of sheer. But I did notice that when I did a full hand swatch and I had my fan going, it did thicken up a bit. So be conscientious of having too much air on these polishes, as with most creams, if you do, they get kind of streaky and clumpy. So, but this one, I really like the consistency on this one. Now this one I did have to do at least 2 to 3 coats because it is more of a sheer consistency. But this is one of my favorites though. This one is one of my favorites. Now with each of these, they are not difficult to remove. There's no texture. It does not dry down flat. It is kind of shiny once it dries, but of course you want to protect your polish with a top coat. This one is Nude. This one is more to me leaning on slight pink to whitish side of the spectrum. This one is not my favorite. But again, it did look good on my full swatch photo. My hands, it did look good on my hands, on my nails. So this collection is not bad at all. I really like the colors. I'm not much of a cream or nude person, but I do like this collection. And this is the pinkish nude. This one I would have to say is probably my least favorite in the collection, simply because I don't usually wear coral type colors, and this is a real faint muted coral looking color. And although it looks okay, this is not a color I normally gravitate toward, but still a nice shade. And last but not least, we have Holo Gray. This one has to be also one of my favorites. Grayish and this one, Holo Gray, are my 2 favorites. I did say I had one other. I think it's Baby Gray. It's also one of my favorites as well. So those 3 are my favorites. I'm not a big fan of nude and pinkish nude. But this one with the holo, I really, really like this one. Anything holo, I'm always for it. And because this is a white, almost white holo, added bonus right there. Really, really pretty. So dainty. wear it with anything. So if you like this type of content, go ahead and smash up those likes. We need to go ahead and help the success of this channel. Here is a second look at these polishes. Make sure you share this video with your polish family and friends. Leave me a comment below because I love to engage with you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear.